Hello everyone. In today's class, we'll be solving another problem. So let us go to the problem. On 1/1/2014, Kaveri Limited took some land on lease for a minimum rent of rupees 3,000 for the first year, rupees 5,000 in the second year, and thereafter rupees 10,000 per annum, merging into royalty of 50 paise per ton with power to recoup short workings over 2 years after the occurring of short workings. The annual output for the 5 years ending were 2014 3,000 tons, 2015 8,600 tons, 2016 22,000 tons, 2017 18,000 tons. Strike for 3 months in the year 2017, 2018 30,000 tons. So there was a provision in the lease that in the event of strike and the minimum rental not being reached, the actual royalties earned for the year discharge all rental obligation for that year. So in the year 2017, royalty and minimum rent is same. Show following accounts in the books of Kaveri Limited. So in this problem, we are preparing only royalty account, short workings account, landlord's account. So without minimum rent, entries without minimum rent, we have to pass entries without minimum rent. In the books of Kaveri Limited, table showing the payment of royalty, year, output 3,000 tons, 8,600 tons, 22,000 tons, 18,000 tons, 30,000 tons. Royalty 50 paise per ton. 50 paise ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3,000 into 0.50. So 1,500. 8,600 into 0.5, 4,300. 22,000 into 0.5, 11,000 royalty in the year 2016. 18,000 into 0.5, 9,000 royalty. 30,000 into 0.5, 15,000 royalty in the year 2018. So there is short working in the year 2014 because minimum rent is more than royalty. So 3,000 minus 1,500 difference 1,500. So short workings ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Short working recoup nil, short working return of nil, cash paid to the lessor 3,000. Next 2015 short working 700. 5,000 minus 4,300, there is short working of 700. Okay. Cash paid to the lessor 5,000. Royalty or minimum rent, whichever is more. 5,000 cash paid. Next 2016, royalty is 11,000, minimum rent 10,000. So royalty is more than minimum rent. So there is excess amount available in the year 2016. So that is 1,000 rupees. So they can recoup the short working. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ recouped. So power to recoup short workings over 2 years after occurring of short workings. After occurring of short working, next 2 years ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅವರು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ರಿಕೂಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ನ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ 2014 ನ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ 1,500 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2016 ಒಳಗಡೆ ರಿಕವರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1,000 ಮಾತ್ರ ರಿಕವರಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ 500 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಫ್. So out of 1,500 short working recoup, only 1,000. So 500 short working return off. Cash paid to the lessor 11,000 minus short working recoup 1,000, 10,000 cash paid to the lessor. Next 2017, royalty and minimum rent is same. ಯಾಕೆ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಆ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನೇ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ದ ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ರಾಯಲ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅರ್ನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಲ್ ರೆಂಟಲ್ ಆಬ್ಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 9000 ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ 9000. ಸೊ no short working in the year 2017. Short working recouped nil. ಸೊ 2015 ನ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ರಿಕವರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅವರು 2017 ಒಳಗಡೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆ 700 ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಫ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪೇಡ್ ಟು ದ ಲೆಸರ್ 9000. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2018 there is no short working. Royalty is more than minimum rent, so no short working. Short working recoup nil. Short working return off nil. Cash paid to the lessor 15,000. Next, let us prepare royalty account. So we are preparing entry. We have to prepare only royalty account, not minimum rent account. So entries without minimum rent we have to pass. So for royalty due, the entry is royalty account debtor, short working account debtor to lessor's account. So royalty account na debit side alli to lessor's account or to landlord's account 1500 royalty. Next, for transfer of royalty by production account 1500, total 1500. 2015 same entry to landlord's account or to lessor's account 4300 royalty. By production account 4300, total 4300. 2016 to landlord's account 11,000 royalty in the year 2016. Next, for transfer of royalty to production account by production account 11,000, total 11,000. 2017 for royalty due, royalty account debtor to landlord's account 9,000 royalty in the year 2017. By production account 9,000, total 9,000. Next, 2018 for royalty due entries to landlord's account 15,000. For transfer of royalty to production account by production account 15,000. Next, short workings account. So for royalty due gain entry dalli royalty account debtor, short workings account debtor to lessor's account or to landlord's account. So short working account na debit side alli to landlord's account short working 1500 in the year 2014, 1500. Total 1500. By balance carried down 1500. To balance brought down 1500. Next 2015 alli kuda ashte short workings ide 700. So short working of rupees 700 in the year 2015. To landlord's account 700, total 2200. By balance carried down 2200. To balance brought down 2200. Next 2016 alli short workings illa, short working recoupment ide, short working return off ide. So short working recoupment iddaga in entry alli lessor's account debtor to short workings account. So credit side of short workings account by lessor's account or by landlord's account. Short working recouped 1000. Next, for short workings return off entries profit and loss account debtor to short workings account. So credit side of short workings account by profit and loss account short working return of 500 in the year 2016. Total 2200. Difference 700. So by balance carried down 700. To balance brought down 700. Next 2017 alli short working return off ide. Return off iddaga entry profit and loss account debtor to short workings account. So by profit and loss account 700 short working written off. Total 700. 2018 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ರಿಕೂಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ 2017ಗೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಸರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ for royalty due landlord's account debtor debit side ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ for royalty paid entry lessors account debtor to bank account by royalty account ಇದು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ entry ಅಲ್ಲಿ for royalty due. So by royalty account 1500 by short workings account 1500 total 3000. Next 2015 for royalty due entries royalty account debtor short workings account debtor to lessors account. So by royalty account 4300 by short workings account 700 cash paid for royalty paid to the lessors account debtor to bank account. So landlord's account debtor to bank account 5000 total 5000. Next 2016 short workings illale ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ by royalty account 11000 royalty short working recoupment ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 1000. So short working recoupment ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ lessors account debtor to short workings account. So landlord's account debtor to short workings account 1000 total 11000. Next for royalty due by royalty account 9000 for royalty paid to bank account 9000. 2018 by royalty account 15000 to bank account. That is entry for royalty paid 15,000 total 15,000.